playing in the light. But dark clouds slowly filled the sky. The wind began to blow. The animals looked up in fear. A storm was coming. Oh no! Boom, boom, thunder in the sky. Rain, rain falling from so high. Run, run, animals, don't delay. Brave little dog will save the day. The wind was strong, the barn door broke. The animals ran away. Baby sheep and little duck were lost and far astray. Old MacDonald called out loud, "Where did my animals go?" But Bobby barked and ran ahead. "I'll find them, don't you worry so." Boom, boom, thunder in the sky. Rain, rain falling from so high. Run, run, animals, don't delay. Brave little dog will save the day.
Bobby, find the sheep.
Through the mud and pouring rain, the brave dog searched around. He found the baby duck nearby, shaking on the ground. Then he heard a tiny bat, a little sheep in fear. Bobby led them safely home, the warm barn door was near.
Look, the sky is
Hooray,
clearing.
hooray, the storm is gone. Rainbows shining bright at dawn. Animals safe and home to stay. Thank you, hero dog, today.
Look, everyone, a beautiful rainbow.
Peace at last.